Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11 so you can stay connected with your chats directly from your desktop. Step 1. Open the Microsoft Store. In Windows 11, the safest and most optimized version of WhatsApp is found directly in the official App Store. Click the Start button or the search icon on your taskbar and type Microsoft Store. Click to open it. Using the store version ensures you get the native desktop app rather than the older web-based version. This version is faster, handles notifications better, and is designed specifically for the Windows 11 interface. Step 2. Search and install WhatsApp. Once the store is open, you'll find the app in just a few clicks. Use the search bar at the top and type WhatsApp. Select the app with the official green logo. Click the blue Get or Install button. Windows will automatically download and set up the application for you. Once the download finishes, the button will change to Open. Click it to launch the app for the first time. Step 3. Link your account via QR code. To get your messages onto your computer, you'll need to sync the desktop app with the WhatsApp account on your phone. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Settings, and select Linked Devices. Tap Link a device and point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your Windows 11 screen. Your chats will begin to sync instantly. In 2026, this multi-device feature allows your desktop app to stay connected and receive messages even if your phone goes offline or runs out of battery. And that's pretty much it. To get WhatsApp on Windows 11, open the Microsoft Store, search for WhatsApp, and click Install. Once it's open, just scan the QR code using the Link Devices menu on your phone to sync your messages and start chatting from your PC. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.